What's up, guys? Welcome to Painfully Honest Advice. My name's Andy and I get asked this question all the time. How do you go about getting started on YouTube? And hey, is it too late to get started on YouTube? So in today's video, I'm going to share with you guys what I've learned so far on YouTube, how to go about getting started, how to go about getting monetized, and basically all the tips and useful information that I've gone through so far on YouTube, I'm going to share with you guys here. So let's go ahead and jump into the video. So I just started on YouTube a couple months ago and I have a bit over 1,000 subscribers at this point. And I would definitely tell you guys, if you're looking at starting a YouTube channel, it's definitely not too late to get started right now. Okay guys, so let's go ahead and get right into the video. Now, the first thing that I'll tell you guys is look at YouTube like a business. Now, you can definitely make money on YouTube and it can be a great source of passive income. The way you make money on YouTube is basically you got to create content, and you want to create content that people actually want to watch. Now, when you get more people watching your content, that's how you get paid, because there's ads that YouTube puts in your videos once you get monetized, and the more people watch your content, the more you get paid on YouTube. Now, to get paid on YouTube, you do have to be monetized. Now, the monetized rules did change. Before February 2018, it used to be that you needed 10,000 views to get monetized, but at this point, to get monetized on YouTube and to put ads in your videos, you do need to have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. So make sure to hit that subscribe button and make sure to subscribe to the channel. There is a great app that I would highly recommend if you're looking to get monetized and you're just starting off on YouTube, just to keep track of your watch hours and just to keep track of how many subscribers you have. The app is called YT Tracker. It is on Apple, in the Apple Store, so you guys can check that out. But it's a great app that just keeps track of everything for you. Additionally, if you're looking to get monetized or you're looking to get the 1,000 subscribers, I did make a video and I will put the link right above here, and you guys can check that video out as well. But that basically will tell you how to get your first 1,000 subscribers if you're starting at zero, and it's got some additional great tips if you're new on YouTube. All right, so for all the new YouTubers, what is it exactly that you need to get started? Honestly, the simple answer is that you need yourself, plus you need a camera. Now, I video everything on my iPhone, and I would say do not go all out and spend money on buying equipment. To me, if you're looking to buy equipment, that's just an excuse on not getting started. Now, I started out making videos just on my camera, as I'm still doing here now, so you don't need much apart from yourself and basically a camera that's got a mic on it. So I use my iPhone to record all my videos. Now, additionally, I do have two pieces of equipment that I use, which is the mic that's right here, and I do have a light that I use that I'm recording on right now. So I did put down in the description if you guys want to check out what exactly I use, but what I'll tell you guys is I bought these two pieces of equipment about a month, just about a month ago, and they cost me less than $100. But if you're looking to get started with what you have and then reinvest in getting additional equipment as you grow on YouTube. Okay, so my next piece of advice is gonna be to go ahead and just get started. Until you get started and you record your first video, you're never gonna wanna do it, or you're never gonna have the time to do it, because hey, you know, we're all busy, right? So it's really hard to come up with the time, but until you just get started, guys, you will never start your channel. So if you're new and you're just planning on getting started, I would say just record anything and, you know, put the best out there that you have at that current time, but just go ahead and get started and just go ahead and post your first video. Now, if you're shy or uncomfortable in front of the camera, what I'll tell you guys is practice, 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 because hey, I'm still shy and I'm still uncomfortable in front of the camera, but I can tell you from my first video to now, I've definitely got a lot more comfortable. It's because I got practice, right? So if you're shy and comfortable, I get it, because I was there and I'm still there because I'm still learning. But just go ahead and get started, because until you get started and you get that practice, you're never gonna get over that. Because I'll guarantee you guys, once you get started, you will 100% get more comfortable with practice. So practice, 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 record videos, post videos, because the more you do that, the more comfortable you'll be in front of the camera. Now, they say it takes 21 days to build a routine. Now, one way that you can get started is by doing a 30-day challenge. Basically, what that means is that you record a video for 30 days and you post it every single day for 30 days. Now, I can guarantee you guys, if you're up for that challenge, that you will improve on your videos and you'll definitely feel a lot more comfortable in front of the camera. Okay, next guys, I'm gonna share with you guys some tips that I've learned through my time on YouTube. And the first tip that I'm going to share with you guys is to focus on a niche. Now, what I'll tell you guys is if you're just starting off on YouTube, first I would recommend to find a niche and then stick with that niche. You basically want to have people come to your channel and know what exactly they're coming for. So that's how you build a following, is by sticking to one particular niche, because people will want to come to you for that particular niche. Ultimately, at the end of the day, once you're just starting out, people aren't really going to know because you only have so many, you don't have that many videos. But once you start building more videos on that niche, people will know that, hey, this person's an expert in this, or this person makes videos around this topic, and they'll definitely want to come to you every single time that they want to hear about that topic. Okay, so the next tip that I have for you guys is to focus on consistency. Now, you want to make sure that you are uploading consistently, whether you have a video that you upload daily, weekly, twice a week, or monthly. Focus on being consistent. Obviously, the more videos you upload on YouTube, the more it helps with the YouTube algorithm in pushing your videos higher. Now, I used to record one video a week, and recently I changed to recording 2 videos a week, and I've definitely seen a boost and a jump in the watch hours that I get and the subscribers that I get to my channel. So just to go along with consistency, the next thing I'll tell you guys is to have a set schedule. When you have a set schedule where you know, hey, on Mondays I'm gonna record, on Tuesdays I'm gonna edit, on Wednesdays I'm gonna go ahead and upload my video and post it. So have a set schedule week after week, however you're recording, but being consistent and having a set schedule kind of go hand in hand here. But you do want to have a set schedule and stay organized, because that's very important, and that all that stuff definitely helps with pushing your videos out on YouTube. Now, I'll share with you guys my process in regards to how I go about recording videos. But basically, my first step is to gather all my notes. Now, I use my iPhone to save all my notes in regards to that video that I'm going to create. Next step is to record the video. So after I record the video, I'll go ahead and edit, is basically my next step. After editing, creating a thumbnail for the video, and then lastly, uploading that video. Now, it actually takes me right around 12 to 15 hours at this point to do all those steps and to get a video uploaded on YouTube. Now, when I first started off though, I would tell you guys it probably took me anywhere between 18 to 24 hours to do all those steps and basically get a video up and loaded. All that being said, it's really focused on having a schedule and actually being consistent with that schedule and getting practice, because once you have all of that, you will get better and better as far as recording videos, and you'll build a routine as well. So the more practice that you get, the quicker that you'll get. Okay, so my next tip is gonna be to be useful. Basically, create videos that are useful, create videos that are searchable, that people actually want to watch. Now, if you have a vlog channel or something along those lines, it's really hard to kind of grow on YouTube, and I would say it takes a lot longer. But if you have videos that are searchable, like a how-to type of video, those videos, I would say, get higher watch hours, and basically because people are always searching for those type of videos. So be useful, have a clear purpose, and you will definitely see your channel grow at a faster pace. Now, a great book that I read that I'll put down in the description below as well is a book called YouTube Secrets. Now, this was a great book in regards to just a book for beginners that really gets you and shares with you some tips if you're just starting off on YouTube. Now, one thing that I was not doing in the beginning that I kind of learned through recording more videos is to create an ideas list. Basically, it's a list of ideas that you have for the next month or few months. Now, I have an idea list that I create, and it's basically for the next month. I know all the videos that I want to record as far as the topic of those videos. I highly recommend that, because once you're ready to record a video, you don't want to be brainstorming at the same time in regards to, hey, what am I actually going to record this video on? So it's a great idea to start creating an idea list, and what I would recommend if you're just starting off is have at least an idea list for videos that you want to record for at least the next month. So now, going into my next tip, I would always recommend to record longer videos. Basically, videos that are over 10 minutes long. Now, there's 2 reasons for that. The first reason is that once you get monetized and you can actually start putting ads in your videos, if you have a video that's longer than 10 minutes, you can actually put additional ads in those videos. And secondly, YouTube's algorithm likes longer videos. So YouTube actually pushes out longer videos that are longer than 10 minutes. But I would recommend, if you're new to YouTube, to create longer videos and create videos that are over 10 minutes minutes long. All right, so my next tip is actually going to be 3 things that go hand in hand. Now, it's in regards to SEOs, thumbnails, and titles. Now, I hate using the word SEO. Now, SEO is a really technical term to me, but basically it stands for search engine optimization. It's basically using keywords throughout your video that will make it more searchable when people are searching on Google, YouTube, or Yahoo, or any of those search engines. Now, you want to make sure that you use the same keywords in your title, in your description, in your tags, in your actual video, because all those things will connect to have a better SEO, and basically it will rank higher on search results because it's all consistent in line together. Now, I will say thumbnails and titles are just as important. With thumbnails and titles, it's basically your first impression. Because people are primarily using their phones for thumbnails, I would say that do not put more than 2 to 3 words in your thumbnail. It's going to be really small on that phone when people are searching for that video, and you want to try to catch somebody's attention right away. With your title, you do want to tell people exactly what your video is about. So I would say have your titles be useful or give useful information in your titles. You do want to try to stay away from too much clickbait in your titles. And if you are using clickbait in your titles, what I would say is let somebody know within the first 15 seconds, or actually be able to give them that exact advice. Now, a great resource that I actually use is called TubeBuddy. Now, TubeBuddy is basically a plugin that you can actually download onto your desktop or laptop, and basically what it does is when you're watching other people's videos, you can see all the things that they've used in their tags. You can see how everything ranks, and if you have titles, it will actually rank for you which titles that it recommends. There is a free version of TubeBuddy and there's a paid version. Now, I've put a link down below in my description. I use the free version, so if you're starting off on YouTube, I would recommend to go with the free version. So now some quick tips in regards to editing or uploading videos on YouTube. But basically for editing software, I use iMovie. Now, iMovie is totally free if you're on a Mac, and I would encourage you, if you're starting off, to keep everything free. So iMovie's a great resource for that. If you don't know how to use an editing software, there's a lot of videos on YouTube, so I would recommend that you guys check out a video in regards to how to use iMovie. Now, additionally, I always say in every single one of your videos, you always want to ask the person to subscribe and to like your video. Now, if you haven't done that already, if you don't mind, please subscribe to my channel and hit that like button. But I always recommend to ask that, because as people are watching your video, sometimes they won't realize, or sometimes they're so engaged in your video that they won't do that. Now, when you're uploading your videos, I would always say to have a longer description. YouTube likes longer descriptions because it gives it more information, and basically for your search results, it will definitely help. And the more keywords that you use in your description, the better it is. Additionally, I'll tell you guys that you do want to use cards and end titles. So basically what that means is you want to put cards in your video. I'll attach a card right here to subscribe to my channel. So that's a card that I added. Additionally, you want to have an end screen that basically takes people to your next video, or that's recommended for that viewer. Okay, so now some of the things that you do not want to do and that you want to learn from, and basically mistakes that I made early on that you want to learn from. First is that you want to slow down during your video. You don't need to record the whole video all in one shot. Basically slow down, say what you need to say, pause, and then record again. That's one thing that I kind of learned throughout my time as far as recording videos, is that you can actually slow down during your video, because this is not a live video that I'm shooting here. So I highly recommend, if you're new, slow down, think about what you want to say, and then go ahead and record. Secondly, do not get caught up in the analytics. Now, a lot of people get caught up in the analytics, especially early on, because we all want to have views, we all want to have subscribers, and we all want to have more watch time hours. What I'll tell you guys is just keep going at the grind, keep recording videos, record videos that you're passionate about, stick to that niche and everything that we've discussed in this video, but do not get caught up in the analytics. All that stuff will come. The views will come, the subscribers will come, the watch time will come. Just stick to what you're doing and be consistent, and all that will happen. All right, and lastly, guys, I will tell you guys, this is a long-term strategy. This is definitely not a get-rich-quick type of scenario. So you want to focus on being consistent and uploading consistently. The more videos that you upload, the quicker your channel will grow. Focus on this as being a long-term strategy and you will see the rewards. All right, guys, that is going to do it for this video. If you like this video, make sure to let me know in the comments below if you want to see more videos like this, and let me know if there's one thing that you found useful or one tip that you found useful from this video. Again, guys, thank you for watching. If you haven't already, if you don't mind hitting that like button and subscribing down below, that would be appreciated. And I will see you guys at the next one.